Vocabulary by topic. At the hotel. In today's quiz, you'll challenge yourself with a practical vocabulary used at the hotel. Let's begin. A person who stays in a hotel is called a guest. The place where guests check in is called the lobby. A room with one bed for 2 people is a double room. The hotel employee who cleans rooms is called a housekeeper. The money paid to stay in a hotel is called the rate. A document showing the amount you must pay is a bill. A guest uses a key card to open the hotel room door. Guests receive a room number after check-in. A room where guests eat breakfast is the dining room. A reservation means a booking. A receptionist helps guests check in and check out. A suite is usually larger than a standard room. A key card is used to order food. Housekeeping is responsible for cleaning guest rooms. The hotel restaurant serves meals. Guests check in when they leave the hotel. A reservation is made before arriving at the hotel. An elevator helps guests move between floors. The person who carries guests' luggage is called a bellhop. Extra blankets and pillows are examples of amenities. If you enjoyed this quiz, subscribe for more practical English content. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.